withdraw from Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw from your Bybit account. So first of all you have to do is just simply the Bybit official website, or you can also follow the same steps in the Bybit official app, but I'm showing you in the web version of the Bybit account. And once you're there, just simply log into your account using your credentials, and if you don't have an account, just simply create an account for yourself. And once you created your account and log in into your account, just click on the asset section from the top right corner of the screen, and over there you will be able to see the option called deposit and withdraw. So just simply click on withdraw since you want to withdraw the money, and on the top right hand side corner you will be able to see the option called fiat withdrawal. Just simply click on it, and over here you need to enter the amount of the fiat that you would want to withdraw. For example, I want to withdraw 200 USD. And you can also select the currency on which you want to withdraw the fiat. Just select the currency and the amount that you would want to withdraw. And you can also select the payment method. For example, the wallet.com has 0 fees, so you can opt for the same as well. Since my Bybit account is brand new and I don't have any balance in my Bybit account, that is why the option called continue is seized for me. But if you have the balance in your Bybit account and you want to withdraw the money, the continue section, the continue tab will be open up for you. You just have to simply click on it, and after that you just have to select the bank account or the person that you would want to withdraw the money to. And once you select the person, just simply click on continue again, and then your money will be withdrawn. So this is basically how you will be able to withdraw from Bybit. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.